in today's video we're gonna do a quick makeup tutorial with some products that I've been currently obsessed with, and some are like brand new, so I'm so excited to show you guys. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to do a little bit of skincare before I go right into the makeup. I'm going to use this. Look how pretty this is. This is by the brand Elevation. It's a face serum. This does come in a kit. If you follow me on Instagram, I did show you that I received a bunch of products from this brand that I'm trying out, and I'm gonna do a video for you. What I love about it is that it's super lightweight, and you know I have oily skin. I don't want anything too heavy. Just twist it off. I'm just gonna apply like that, just one pump. Have to see how this makes your skin feel. Like, it literally feels like a water cream. Me, like when I hear serum or like face oils, I'm like terrified. I just think like it's so heavy, but this is not. This is to follow up with the face cream. The same thing, you just twist it off. This one is like if you're acne prone as well, so I love that. So I'm just gonna spread this, and again, it's super lightweight. Now that that's done, as you see, just look how like nice the skin looks. Like, I just have to show you these products. They're so good. And you can't forget your SPF by Supergoop, and it's an unseen SPF broad spectrum sunscreen. It's completely clear. This is like the first time I used a sunscreen like that. It's so amazing, and you can't even like smell it. Me, I love the smell of sunscreen, so it's like but I love this. Imagine if you don't wear makeup and you just want to go out. Like, look how healthy the skin looks. Going in with the Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. Little goes a long way, trust me. This is in the color Light, so look how little. I'm just gonna dot wherever you choose to conceal. Just put this. I always just do my under eye. My Real Technique sponge. I'm just gonna blend that. I love the ingredients of It Cosmetics. That's nicely blended. Go in with my foundation, and I love this one for summer. I just put it in my summer favorites video that I just did, all the products that I highly recommend for summer. It's just so beautiful how your skin looks. By Giorgio Armani is the Power Fabric Longwear High Cover Foundation, and this has SPF 25. I'm gonna pump maybe 2 pumps in the back of my hand. This is not like my exact shade, but once I blend it in, it actually looks good. Like, you can't even tell. You know, if you have a favorite sponge, I really want to invest in like other sponges, because I keep using this one. Switch it up, you know. You know which one I want to buy? The one that Morphe just came out, Coca-Cola collaboration, because the sponges are like red and black, and like red is my favorite color, so I really want a red sponge. I'm gonna link everything that I'm using in the description, just in case you're interested to check them out. Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder. I'm going to take this brush from MAC, and I also go over my brows. That's important because it gets oily in that area and they sweat. For my brows, I really have to buy another one of these because it's like almost done. Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in blonde. I'm gonna use this spoolie brush. In one end is a spoolie, the other end is your angled brush for the brows. I'm just gonna comb them here. As you know, I have microblading, so it's easy for me just to trace them. For bronzer, I'm gonna use the Marc Jacobs Tan-tastic bronzer. The way, if you want to get it now. They don't always have a mini size. Came in a little set with a mascara as well. I'm just gonna contour a bit. Such a pretty shade. Oh my god. It's just that I wanted to try it for so long, but the big size, pretty pricey, so I just couldn't pass up on the opportunity. It came in this travel size. See how it's not too harsh? I'm applying a lot, and it's just the perfect color. The Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush, and this is in the color Party. This MAC blush brush. This is such a pretty color. And I'm just gonna place that. Highlight, we're using the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in Heat Wave. Place that here. Putting the Anastasia eye primer all over my lid. I'm gonna blend it out with this Santi Concealer Buffer. Favorite eye primer at the moment. For the eyes, I'm going to be using this palette because a lot of you guys have requested another look since it's like on sale and a lot of you guys have recently gotten it. So that's what we will be using today. This is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, artistry palette. I have at least 2 other tutorials using this palette. To start, I'm going to be using this color here called Lin all over the lid. I'm going to use this color called Channel, same brush. I'm just going to use this as like a transition shade. I'm going to look down and place that and just go back and forth on my crease. I'm going to switch brushes here to a smaller blending brush. This one is from Luxie, is the 237, and I'm going to take this color here called Hi Dude. Just tap that. And I'm going to place this in the outer corner, circular motions in the outer corner, blending it inward just a bit. Now it doesn't have to be perfect here because we are going to blend some more colors in. Go with this color here called Wand Noise, same brush. Just going to place it right next to that color, blending them together a bit. So it's a nice transition. And I'm just placing it like just right there in the middle and just blending it with that. I want to take this color Dog Mom and that is gonna brighten everything up. Brush from Japanesque is the 346. Then we're gonna go in with our finger. Take some Dog Mom in this small shader brush. And we're going to blend it together as well where that color meets with Wand Noise. Alright, now I'm just going to take my ring finger into that Dog Mom and just press that in. Like with these kind of shades, nothing works better than your finger. I'm going to go back in and just intensify those 2 colors again. Back on Wand Noise. And going back into Hi Dude. Taking the shade Designer Label, eye crease brush, and we're going to place that in the inner corner. And you can see the difference. How that just opens up the eye. I'm not going to place anything in the lower lash line. For eyeliner, we're using the Tarte Sex Kitten liquid liner. I just did a video showing you my favorite liquid liners. The Falsies Lash Lift. You could leave it like this. I love this mascara. But I am going to apply lashes, and it's going to be the Eyelure lashes in Marquise. You guys already know that these lashes are my babies. For the lips, came in the Sephora Favorites, brand new with all these other glosses, lip balms. I do have the review on my channel. This one is my favorite, which is from Patrick Ta, and it's called She's Expensive. Just a beautiful clear gloss. It off, we are gonna go with a setting mist. This one is by Supergoop and it's the Defense Refresh Setting Mist SPF 50. Gonna shake that really well. Don't have it too close, you don't want it to ruin your eyelash glue. And I'm just gonna spritz. I do have 2 options of these. You can either buy this one from Supergoop, or I did also review one from the brand Pacifica. I want to do a close-up of the look. If you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.